Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to change your profile picture on PayPal. To change your profile picture on PayPal, first of all, open up your PayPal application on your mobile device, or you can also log into paypal.com on a web browser. Once you're in the home page, click on your profile icon at the top right, and this will open up your profile section. Now, underneath your profile section, make sure to look for this camera icon and tap on it. After you do that, you will get to take a photo from your device's camera or choose an existing picture to add as your profile picture on PayPal or change as your profile picture on PayPal. I'm just gonna tap on choose existing photo. This will take you to your camera roll. Select a picture you'd like to use as your profile picture on PayPal, and then adjust your picture within the frame and click on choose. Soon after you do that, you will be able to update your profile picture or add a profile picture on PayPal. And that's it. You have successfully changed or added a profile picture on PayPal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.